If you're wondering which slots you should use for your memory in your motherboard, usually in the newest motherboards you'll be able to find a script right here above the RAM memory slots, and it tells you exactly which slots you should use to insert your first RAM. So if you have 2 sticks, then you can follow instructions, and in this case we would insert a RAM in this port, and then a second one should go on to this port right here. And if you're using the 1 stick, then you can just insert it right here. If you're using 3 sticks, then you can first follow the priority, so number 2 for the AMMA, and for the B also. Then the third one can go into any slot you like. And if you're using 4, then it's kind of obvious, as you need to put all of your memory sticks in each slot. So that is everything. Thank you.